The lotus is not just a flower. It embodies symbolic and cultural significance, along with a wide range of practical applications in daily life. But how does this plant, originating from swampy wetlands, become such an integral part of various fields and transform into diverse products like lotus roots and lotus fiber? Join us as we explore the journey of cultivating, harvesting, and processing the lotus in this captivating documentary. The lotus is a widely recognized aquatic plant that thrives in tropical and subtropical climates, flourishing in optimal temperatures ranging from 20 DSC to 35 DSC. This plant grows vigorously in shallow water and fertile muddy soils, often cultivated in swamps and floodplains. Globally, China leads in lotus production with extensive cultivation areas. Additionally, India and Vietnam are prominent lotus-growing countries, where this plant is closely associated with culture, daily life, and traditional cuisine. Lotuses can be grown from tubers or seedlings. When growing from tubers, farmers choose healthy, pest-free lotus tubers and stick them into the mud with the sprouts facing up. For the seedling method, young shoots are separated from the mother plant and then transplanted into muddy soil, ensuring the shoots are firm and not deeply submerged. Regardless of the method used, lotus grows well in nutrient-rich muddy soil and properly managed water level. Thanks to these diverse planting methods, lotus flowers grow easily and bring great economic and cultural value to growers. It is worth noting that the lotus plant is not only resilient but also extremely adaptable. Farmers carefully monitor water levels and nutrient levels to ensure optimal plant growth. In many areas, lotus cultivation is combined with traditional rice farming systems, allowing both plants to coexist in harmony. This approach not only improves soil fertility, but also optimizes land use efficiency. As the tree grows, the iconic lotus flowers begin to bloom, often in vibrant colors such as pure white or deep pink. The flowering period varies by region and plant species, but usually occurs from late spring to early fall. Farmers take meticulous care of their plants during this time because flowers are an important part of the lotus's life cycle and are an essential product in the global market. Not only beautiful, the lotus also has a deep spiritual meaning, often used in rituals and cultural traditions around the world. The process of making lotus silk begins with the careful selection of raw materials. Lotus stems are typically harvested from swamps or ponds during the summer when the plants are at their peak growth. Only large, healthy stems, free from pests, are chosen to ensure the best quality fibers. After harvesting, the stems are cleaned thoroughly to remove dirt and their outer layers. The most crucial step in the process is extracting the silk fibers from the lotus stems. Skilled artisans cut the stems into short sections, then gently pull out the delicate fibers, a process requiring meticulous attention and skill. Once extracted, the fibers are twisted and stretched to form stronger threads. With each stem yielding only a small amount, hundreds are needed to weave 1 meter of fabric, making lotus silk highly valuable. The scarcity of the raw material and the painstaking effort involved in each step have made lotus silk a symbol of refinement in traditional craftsmanship. From raw lotus silk fibers, skilled artisans carefully weave soft, smooth, and breathable fabrics. Lotus silk fabric not only offers exceptional comfort when worn, but also carries a unique value, often chosen for crafting premium art products or exclusive garments. Additionally, these fabrics are highly valued for their natural durability, environmentally friendly characteristics, and their refined, distinctive beauty, which no other fabric can match. Lotus root is a nutritious food and is often used in cuisine and traditional medicine. The process of harvesting lotus roots begins in the fall or winter, when the roots have grown large enough. Farmers often wade into swamps or lotus ponds using specialized tools such as hand rakes or small shovels to carefully dig up lotus roots without breaking or injuring them. After harvesting, lotus roots are washed to remove mud, and unnecessary root segments are cut off. Processing lotus root includes many different steps, depending on the intended use. Lotus root starch is a cool ingredient, rich in fiber and minerals, very good for health. This is not only a familiar ingredient in cuisine, but also an effective source of nutrition. After being harvested, fresh lotus roots will be taken to the factory for cleaning. The cleaning process includes soaking the lotus root in clean water to remove the initial layer of dirt, then using a high-power washing machine to clean more thoroughly, ensuring the lotus root reaches optimal cleanliness. Next, this mixture is processed to separate the pulp and starch water. The starchy water is then left to stand for several hours, allowing the starch to settle to the bottom of the container. The settled starch is transferred to the concentration stage and continues to be filtered many times to completely remove remaining impurities, ensuring maximum purity. After carefully filtering, the starch will be left to stand overnight. Next, the starch is dried under natural sunlight, helping to completely remove remaining moisture, while maintaining the smoothness and natural bright white color of the product. The final product is high-quality, clean, soft lotus root starch, ready to be processed into many traditional dishes or create modern recipes. And that's all for today's video. If you enjoyed it, feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below. Have you ever visited a lotus field, tasted lotus roots, or experienced products made from lotus silk? We'd love to hear your stories. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel to explore more fascinating stories about agriculture and nature. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Welcome back to our channel. Today we'll explore the fascinating world of black currants. A small but powerful fruit packed with flavor, nutrients, and potential. Join us as we trace the journey of black currants, from the field to the processing plant, and learn about the sustainable farming practices behind this nutrient-rich and versatile berry. Black currants are native to the regions of Central and Northern Europe, as well as Northern Asia. Over time, their cultivation has expanded to many other parts of the world due to their remarkable adaptability and high nutritional value. These fresh berries are particularly rich in vitamin C and polyphenol phytochemicals, making them a highly sought-after ingredient in various healthy diets. Their versatility, along with their bold flavor, has turned them into a staple product in the commercial market, especially for juice production. Black currant plants can be grown from seeds, which are carefully processed to remove impurities and increase germination potential. The seeds are then sown in well-draining, nutrient-rich soil to provide optimal growth conditions. The germination process can take anywhere from a few weeks to 2 months, depending on environmental conditions and seed quality. Once the seedlings have grown strong enough and developed healthy root systems, they can be transplanted into the garden or larger pots for further growth. A more efficient method is propagation through cuttings. Mature plants provide cuttings which are then planted, allowing new plants to root easily. Selected cuttings must have developed buds to ensure successful growth. This method is simple and yields a high success rate, enabling farmers to expand their plantations efficiently and sustainably. Like most crops, black currants need to be fertilized at the end of winter to ensure nutrient-rich soil for the next growing season. In addition, the plants need to be watered regularly, keeping the soil moist without becoming waterlogged. Maintaining consistent moisture is crucial to ensure fruit quality and yield. Pruning is also vital for blackcurrant plants, as it helps focus the plant's energy on fruit production while improving air circulation and light penetration, which reduces the risk of diseases. Pruning also allows for better control of the number of branches and buds, ensuring that the plant concentrates on the healthiest buds for even fruit development and high quality. After 2 to 3 years, the plants begin to flower. Blackcurrant flowers are small and pale greenish yellow, growing in clusters of 5 to 10 blooms. Once the flowers fade, the fruit begins to form from the remaining flower base. Blackcurrant berries are green when they first form, then gradually turn black as they ripen. The development process from the time the fruit begins to form until it is fully ripe usually takes about 2 months. When the berries have turned a glossy black, it is a clear sign that they have reached optimal ripeness and are ready for harvest. The blackcurrant harvest season usually takes place from May to August, a process that requires high precision and must be carried out quickly to ensure the best fruit quality. Modern machinery is often used to harvest blackcurrants quickly and efficiently. The machines gently move through the bushes, using a light shaking mechanism to harvest the berries without damaging the plants or bruising the delicate fruit skins. After the berries are picked, the machine's filtering and fan systems help separate leaves and debris, leaving only fresh berries ready for the next processing stage. This technology not only increases efficiency, but also ensures that the fruit retains its flavor and nutritional value while minimizing the labor required. One of the most prominent products made from blackcurrants is wine. After being harvested, the berries are transported to a factory to begin the production process. At the facility, fresh blackcurrants are crushed to extract their natural juice, which is then fermented to create wine, a process that releases the fruit's unique flavor. Once fermentation is complete, the wine is filtered and bottled, ready for the market. Blackcurrants are widely produced in Europe and other regions worldwide due to their adaptability and high nutritional value. Exporting blackcurrants generates significant revenue for producing countries and helps meet the demand for clean and nutrient-rich ingredients in importing nations. The export-import process requires strict quality control to where the blackcurrants retain their freshness and nutritional value upon reaching consumers. Besides the domestic market, blackcurrants are highly sought after in the international market, especially in juice, wine, and jam products, driving growth in the global food and beverage industry. Black currants are not only known for their bold flavor, but also for their abundance of health benefits. They are very rich in vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that boosts the immune system, helping to prevent colds and infections. Additionally, the polyphenols in black currants have anti-inflammatory effects and protect cardiovascular health, contributing to reduced risks of heart disease and hypertension. This fruit also supports improved vision and cognitive function thanks to anthocyanins, a type of antioxidant that protects cells from damage. Adding black currants to a daily diet can provide comprehensive health benefits, enhancing overall well-being. Thank you all for joining us in today's video. We hope you've gained a greater understanding and appreciation for the work that goes into producing this amazing fruit. Stay tuned for our next video, where we will continue exploring the world of agriculture and share more interesting stories about agricultural products. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss the upcoming episodes.